we've covered the single crochet, now we're going to talk about the double crochet. I have 10 chains right here. For single crochet, normally you would chain one and then turn. For double crochet, you're actually going to need to chain 2 more to make up the height of that chain stitch. So your turns are actually going to be 2 chains long. So the first stitch I'll be going into is actually this first red one right here. And then instead of just inserting my hook like you would with single crochet, what you're actually going to do is yarn over from back to front before you insert it in that chain. And then once you've inserted it, you're going to yarn over again and pull that through. And I like to slide it back down on my hook so that my tension stays nice and relaxed. And you have 3 hooks, or 3 loops on your hook rather. Then you yarn over again, pull it through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and pull it through the last 2. And that's 1 double crochet stitch. So now we'll do our next one in this next purple stitch. Remember, yarn over before you insert, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, go through 2 of them, yarn over, go through the other 2. And that's all there is to it. Yarn over, push it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, through 2, yarn over, through 2. You'll notice this is making kind of nice tall stitches instead of the short ones we saw with the single crochet. Yarn over first always, push it through, yarn over, pull it through, through 2, through 2. So now you can count how many tall stitches you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus our little turn over here. So I should have 6 more to go. All right, let's count our stitches. 1, and so you don't count the loop that's on your hook, you count the first full tall stitch after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're done with that row. And then, same as before, you'll chain 2 to move on to your next row. Chain 1, chain 2, flip it over, and then you're ready to double crochet your next row. Yarn over, and now same as single crochet, you don't go into the middle of that kind of maroon colored stitch. You're going to insert under both loops, pull it up onto your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's all there is to it. You just keep that up. Get some extra slack here, yarn over, under the whole stitch, pull it through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. I'll fast forward for a little bit. So it's a little tricky sometimes when you get to the end of the row to know, do I need to stitch 1 more in that last kind of loop there, or am I done? So you always just go back and count how many you've done. Remember, not counting the loop on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I only have 9 flat loops, so that means I do need 1 more. I'll go under this loop that was the turn from the last row and do my double crochet there. So now I have 10 flat loops on the top, and I know I didn't drop any stitches. Chain 2 to turn, flip it over, and come back the other way in the first red flat stitch there. All right, and that's how you do the double crochet. You're ready to start a project that uses chains, single crochet, and double crochet stitches.